I'm Shonna Cheryl with eXp Realty. We are in Towne Lake Hills East. This is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath. There's another room in the basement that could easily be used as a 5th bedroom if needed. It's a little over 4,100 square feet and it is listed at $675. Let's go in and take a look. So as you enter, you'll see that there's not only hardwood staircase, but hardwood floors throughout the main level. On the left is a living area. And on the right, you have your dining room, separate dining room. Double ovens, electric cooktop. There is a breakfast area within the kitchen. And a powder room is also on the main level. So in the living area here, we have a gas fireplace, built-ins on either side. And heading up these gorgeous stairs, we have 4 bedrooms, 3 baths up. The first bedroom that you're going to come across is the primary suite. Which has a balcony that you can step out onto, have a sit, drink your coffee, and enjoy the wildlife in the back. Fireplace in the master. Bathroom with dual vanities, water closet, walk-in closet, shower, and jacuzzi tub. Second bedroom upstairs has an ensuite bath. And as we continue down the hallway, bedroom number 3 connects to a Jack and Jill bath with dual vanities, a remodeled bath, and into the bonus room, which will make a wonderful teen suite, separate area for them. And the laundry room is upstairs. Now the back stairs come off of this room and take you right back down to the kitchen area. Storage here and 3-car garage here. There's also a finished basement, but let's just take a quick peek outside. Check that out. There's a creek at the back of the property. Very quiet, very serene, very private. This is core property to the left, so no one will ever build next to you. There is a fenced area and garden for your little furry friends to run around in. And in the landing area, you come into, this is the room that I mentioned could easily be a bedroom. It is set up for an office and a nice lighted closet attached here. French doors into the main living area where you have a wet bar, lots of space for entertainment. Let's catch this over here is a full bath. There is a linen closet here, another here, and this is your mechanical room. Another area to hang out and enjoy the wildlife. And there's even some unfinished space for storage, workbenches, and this goes out to the fenced area. Oops. Give me a call or a text or an email, and I'm happy to set up a time to show it to you.